everybody, welcome to my another course. This course will be about Flutter. It is front-end development part, or you can think in general. I just put here front-end because we'll use also backend for the another for my another course, which is its Android development course with the Flutter Dart, and for the backend we will use some other frameworks. But in this case, we'll talk about front end. You can think like this. So the first part will be introduction to Flutter, and after that, I will explain you the theory and the overview of philosophy of it. And after that, we will continue with the. Let me go to the left side. We will start with the part one. So I already made research in Flutter, websites, books, architecture, etc. And I have also past experience with that, and ChatGPT meaningful contents will be helpful in this case during my explanation. And part one will be about Flutter environment setup guide for Windows, macOS, and Linux. I will show you each of the contents, what you should install. And after that, when we are ready in the VS Code, which is I will show, but you can use also Android Studio. So then we will look for the how to creating our first project. So then we will look with the creating simple button, how we creating buttons, and then we will look for the like styling our app, making it prettier. Then we will look for the adding state management, like a liking and favoriting. We will use such a different techniques to create them. I will show you all of them step by step. It will be summary part. Then we will dive into depth for the detailing part. Okay. This is the first introduction part of our course. Let me open my camera. Okay, it's there. See you in first class. The first class will be about setup, development setup guide for Windows, macOS, and Linux. There will be installation part. We will install many more things. Just be ready for these things, okay? And after that, we continue with others. Thank you so much. See you in first class. Thank you so much for watching.